Welcome back, YouTubers. Another short little project here. Working on the cabin. I'm trying to caulk the walls that I'm adding, and hope you can see in that the sun's pretty bright here. Anyway, there's a gap back in there, and I can't reach in there with my caulking gun. So I come up with a little hack. Half of a McDonald's straw, some electrical tape, and I'm going to try to get back in there and fill that crack. Let's see what happens. Worked like a charm. And when you get down to the end of your tube, you just pull off your straw and you squeeze that dude like a tube of toothpaste, and you can just get the rest of it out, fill the crack in. Thanks for watching, guys.